Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 12 Retro Gem Red October, or whatever you call it. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. We have the old school Jordan 12 box. That old school box, that big box. I don't know why they don't change the box to a smaller box, but it is what it is. Got the black Jumpman on the top. You got Jordan on this side. On the smaller side, you got the Jumpman logo. On the other longer side, you have quality inspired by the greatest player ever, which usually comes on the Jordan 12. And on the other side, you have a Jumpman again. So what we have is the Air Jordan 12 Retro in Gem Red, Black, and Gem Red. Now these going to retail for $190. They release on November the 23rd. So if you're in the market for these, man, go ahead, save your chips up, man, and get ready to do what you got to do. Now they come wrapped in some brown paper, man, but that ain't what we here to see. Let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 12 Retro Bulls Red October, Gem Red, whatever it is you want to call it. That's all on you. You know what I'm saying? Now, me personally, I like the shoe, but I don't think I'm a cop a pair for myself, man. You know what I'm saying? I have a pair, but I mean, let me take that back. Okay, I'm gonna keep a pair, but it's not nothing that, you know, I'm really raving about. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not nothing big on my list, man. Now looking under the bottom, you got the red and the black pattern going all underneath the bottom. On the side, everything red. You got your little red tab on the side, something like a metallic red, you know what I mean, with Jordan on it. You can see that Jumpman logo bleeding over the top in black. There's a look at the toe box, your tongue, medial side. You got your eyelets with the metallic red-like finish to it. On the back, you see the Jordan tags with the 23, quality inspired by the greatest player ever again. Now these come with some red laces. You got the black Jumpman on the tongue. You got your black 2-3 running down the tongue. Red rope laces. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, man. Now when you look at the other shoe, everything is identical. There's no difference between the two. You know what I mean? Like I say, man, I'm feeling the shoe, but I'm not a big fan of it. Now the insoles are black with the red Jumpman. Like I say, man, I mean, it is what it is, man. Let me know what y'all think about it, man. I mean, I think they straight, but I don't think they the end all be all. You know what I'm saying? So, it's material though. We're gonna get into that a little bit later, man. But I don't know what they did with this, you know, but you can see that it is a leather, but they put some kind of finish on it to where it's, I can't really describe it, man. You know what I mean? So you'll probably just have to get these in the hand, check them out for yourself. And people that's familiar with leather and the textures and the finishing of leather, you know what I'm saying? Maybe y'all could fill me in on this, you know what I'm saying? But it's kind of like a mixture of suede, nubuck, or some kind of oily finish. I can't quite wrap my hands around it, man. Now, one thing I do want to say, man, a few pairs, they have some quality control issues. You know what I'm saying? So when you get your pair, man, make sure you check them out, man. If you're not satisfied, bring that shit back. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, go ahead and make sure you're monitoring your pairs, man. As you can see on mine, you got a couple of glue stains and got some stitching errors and all kind of shit, man. You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, man, if you're going to be spending your hard-earned money on these kicks, man, these shoes, man, make sure them things is up to your expectations. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't satisfied with them shoes, man, it's all on you, man. You do what you got to do. If you want me, it is what it is, man. But like I said, that was my look at the Air Jordan 12 Retro Bulls. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazaire504. Subscribe to this channel. And we're going to lay up there and get into this on foot. And I'm going to holler back.